Welcome student to class 6. So today we are going to discuss about clinical thermometer. First of all, what is clinical thermometer? Let's see. The normal body temperature of a healthy human being is 37 degrees Celsius. The thermometer used to measure the temperature of a human body is called clinical thermometer or doctor's thermometer. Dear children, this figure is known as clinical thermometer. What is used clinical thermometer? Let's see. It is marked from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It is because the temperature of the human body does not fall below 35 degrees Celsius, nor does it rise above 42 degrees Celsius. As in either case that occurs, it has a triangular stem in which runs a very fine capillary tube. Dear children, here this side a capillary tube. The tube is provided with a kink near the bulb. The kink allows the mercury to push its way in the capillary tube, but does not allow it to flock back unless the thermometer is jerked. This thermometer is first washed with water and then jerked till mercury thread falls below 35 degrees Celsius. It is then placed in the mouth cavity of the patient under the tongue for 1 minute. It is then taken out from the mouth and the temperature is read. Dear children, a clinical thermometer has a slide band and it is called kink in the glass tube just above the mercury bulb. The kink prevents the mercury from flowing back quickly as to read the temperature accurately. Dear children, look at the formula for converting Celsius scale into Kelvin scale. Here, temperature in Kelvin, which is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. This formula is known as converting Celsius scale into Kelvin scale. Let's see some example. Convert following Celsius temperatures to Kelvin. First, 30 degrees Celsius. Dear students, using the formula temperature in Kelvin, which is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. Dear children, we know that temperature in degree Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius and find the Kelvin. So put the values here. 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. So we write 30 and we got the answer 303 Kelvin. And see the next example, 120 degrees Celsius. Here, convert following Celsius temperatures to Kelvin. Dear students, we know that Celsius temperature is 120 degrees Celsius and find the Kelvin. So using the formula temperature in Kelvin, which is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. Putting the value 273 plus 120 degrees Celsius and we got the answer 393 Kelvin. So dear children, solve some examples. Convert following Celsius temperature to Kelvin. Here first 125 degrees Celsius, second 45 degrees Celsius, third 160 degrees Celsius, fourth 212 degrees Celsius and 5 27 degrees Celsius.